I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you want my little doll, baby. Hi doll, baby, hi doll, baby, hi doll, baby, hi doll, baby, hi doll. What was I doing, like Tai Chi? What am I doing? Okay. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So today I have a little wig show and tell because I have already worn this wig. I did put together clips of the cap construction and also me putting on the wig that you will see up in one of these little corners here as I'm talking, okay? So, la 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 la. Who are we even talking about? Oh no. I mean, I do know, but you know. Okay, so we are talking about Motown Tress's Peggy. And I have Peggy in the color T4/27. This wig has ear-to-ear lace. She has a deep part and she has soft Swiss lace. It's ear-to-ear, if I didn't say that. Her finished length is 27 inches, which I love that they put on their stock cards. And she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. I scooped Peggy up from Shop Hair Wigs for $21.78. Let's talk about her. I love this wig. She reminds me so much of Outre's Coco. I'm pretty sure. I think it's Outre's Coco. Let me get my iPad out because I was going to do some comparison videos and I still am. One of the things is a few of the wigs that I love from Outre are discontinued or very hard to find. So it would be really awesome to, so is it Coco? So Coco's still available. Maybe it was Haley or Amara. Let's look at Amara. I think it's Haley that you can't really find. Nope. Actually, that's Soraya. I think it's Outre's Haley.
2 hours later.
Yeah, so this wig reminds me of Outre's Coco. I still have Coco in my long-term collection. I also have a video up on her so you could check her out, okay? It's one of the few synthetic curly wigs that I still have and still enjoy and feel like can still look good. Because I've worn Coco a jillion times. I will do a comparison video with this and Coco because I want you to see not only the curl pattern, the wig, but the length, the tapering. Everything is so similar to Coco. So I want to do a comparison to see if they're similar so we can compare them. Who knows? Let's talk about this chick right here. I love the curl pattern. I did use this, which I have a video up on, Bonafide Natural Oil-Free Wig Shine Spray to sort of try to piece her out and comb her out because I had already worn her. And then I used my wide tooth detangling comb. And she did sort of comb out enough without losing the actual curl. I don't mind a little bit of frizziness, especially up in this area, because I do have natural colored hair. My hair used to actually be probably this long, maybe a little bit longer, and it wasn't always just these like gorgeous perfect curls. There was a little stray situation. This is a fairly warm wig. This is all the hair to the front, so I don't think it's actually a ridiculous density. I think this is a realistic density, especially for a curly wig, because this is sort of how it would look, where it's fuller here and then tapers down. That's how curly hair sort of looks when it grows. I really like the hairline. I went in with some powder on the hairline and the lace. It could be cut back just a slight bit. I have been playing with like leaving this is my widow's peak, and sort of leaving that because I do feel like it meshes a little bit and kind of looks like my hair is growing out of that. It's got a beautiful, as well as this like side stuff here, which I normally would have like shaved back, but I think it adds to my hairline. I think this is a realistic curl pattern. It's a realistic length. And I say realistic because I have had curly hair this length. The tapering, everything looks like my hair did. The texture is definitely a light yaki textured hair, meaning it has a little bit of grit, a little bit of coarseness, which I think serves the curls very well. If you had a curly wig that was also silky, I mean, that would be a hot mess. Hotish mess. I love the coloring on this, what's it, T4/27. I like that it's not rooted per se, but the color pattern is gorgeous enough to look like, you know, you have a medium brown hair tone and just a little bit of sun-kissed here and there. I think that the color mix on this is stunning and very realistic to how your hair would naturally be in the sun. Not that we all want our wigs to necessarily look like our natural hair, hence why some of us wear wigs. But if that is what you're looking for, I think you would achieve it in this color. And yeah, I wore this wig. I enjoyed this wig. I think I wore her up, pretty sure. But I think that you would enjoy the wig. It's lasted, now this is going to be the second or third time I've worn it. And that might not seem like a lot, but I do think with synthetic curly wigs, you have to be careful about how you wear it, how you don't wear it, meaning how you care for it in between wears is very, very, very important because, you know, they're tricky. They're tricky to keep looking natural and beautiful and intact and not look tattered. So that's what I have for you for this wig show and tell. Look for comparison videos of this wig with other curly wigs of the same quality, maybe is what I'm looking for. Okay, if there are other Motown Tress wigs you would like me to review, you can put that down below, but go ahead and check out my Motown Tress and Bishi playlist to make sure that I haven't already reviewed it, because I've reviewed so many wigs. I have reviewed a lot of wigs. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and click the bell and so you get all the notification of when I upload. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. You're my doll, baby. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!